Hello.
Hi Heroes! Today I'm gonna go into another episode actually this is the first episode on Beast War. My friend James. James is this guy, AINFFGGEE. If you wanna friend him, then maybe you can friend him right now, but I don't know. So yeah, I tried to make a Beast War simulator for so long. I don't know how long is it, but so long that I even reached this level. This is pro level. Not yet God though. Okay, so James, what are we gonna do today?
Uh, we're gonna get the most peace in this game.
Oh, okay. I guess let's try first. Our first step for today is to kill King Beetle, right?
Yeah, let's kill it. Let's kill it.
You did.
Too powerful. Let's smash the face off.
Hey, by the way, look, go to
Yeah,
the King Beetle place. Can you go to the King Beetle place? Quick, no, quick.
yeah, ma. I'm not
Look,
in. I'm not in.
I'm not taking any damage. This is a trick. You have to stay in the very edge, and then the King Beetle will not attack you. Look, just look. I'm not even taking.
Oh, so I do. Oh, so I just. Oh yeah, it's actually working. The game is not even attacking me.
Wait, no, no,
Ah,
no.
it's
You,
attacking me.
it
It's
has,
actually
it,
attacking
it has
me.
to be far away from you. The King Beetle needs to be far away like this. It has to be diagonally.
How like this?
I don't know.
I'm scared.
Wait.
Ow! Laughing.
Just keep
Oh my gosh.
jumping and running. Just keep jumping and running. Just keep jumping and running.
I'm using the parachute. Oh, it's my melody. Thank you. I love you so much.
I just got 10 magic beans! Hey, I just got 10 magic beans!
Huh?
10 magic beans!
How?
I've got
How?
Killing King
From the
Beetle! Killing King Beetle!
Can you help me get my?
I cannot kill. I don't know why. I cannot help you with it. It's not like a meadow chick. Okay? It's a blower mini boss.
Look, that's me. I'm parachuting around and you can't even catch me at all.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go to werewolf.
Okay.
I'm gonna meet you there. I'm gonna meet you in Rosefield after this, okay?
Okay.
Hi, spider. I'm just gonna stand here.
Sunny.
Oh wow. Yes,
Okay,
bitter
well,
berry. I need bitter berries.
halfway. What?
I need bitter berries. Goo? Is that
And then
literally
could you
goo?
come on, no chicken
That is
from Peter
goo!
Paris?
Oh my gosh! I found goo! I found goo! I found goo! Oh my goodness!
Who is very common?
Advantage of this.
Who is very common to find? Who is very common? I already have. Who?
You should probably recommend. I should really recommend you to find. What was it again? Maybe. Oh, yeah. Get your beekeeper's mask. Get your beekeeper's mask.
You know, I already have like 3 magic beans. I cried by myself.
Oh, you want me to plant them? You want me to plant them?
No. It's just gonna be wish. Like,
No,
just
I have 25 of them. I have 25 of them. Plus I never use them anyway.
Oh, my 25 HP. Yep.
You're gonna kill it, I think.
I hope I don't die. Well, parachute tactic is always because I got the parachute and it's very fast. That's why the people can't even catch me. And plus with my beat, the skill of the melody was 100 critical damage.
Yeah, but since it's gifted,
oh, it's dead. Oh my gosh, it's dead. I can't see. I got a ticket. I got 1 XP, 1 X blue extractor, 1 5 royal jellies, 475.
So lucky! I only get 3 royal jelly.
5. Well, let me check how much I have. I have 25 royal jellies.
Oh god, hey, you forgot to take your daily royal jelly.
Already.
Oh, okay, I forgot to take it.
Because I could the comment repeating the gifted comment repeat. Now I can get 3 royal jellies per day. It's so cool.
Oh my gosh, I got a royal jelly from werewolf. Yay.
Oh, werewolf can give you a ticket, you know.
I know, but you know the highest chance it gives me? You know what?
Oh, I got a ticket. Oh, I got an oil potion. I got an oil potion
oil.
too.
Oh, God, hey, you know what I have ever get? You know what?
What?
I have ever get a diamond egg from a werewolf.
No way.
Yes, way. I see it in the what?
Diamond egg.
Yes, diamond egg. See it in the way
A literal diamond. Bruh.
See it in the way
Diamond egg.
in the photos. I sent it to my friends. I got a diamond egg and it hatches into it hatched into a new legendary which I need. Carpenter bee.
Oh, that's what the new thing I got that I can't explain right. You were like,
Yeah,
oh,
but now
I have a new legendary.
but
And
since I got Carpenter bee, I've been getting Carpenter bee non-stop. So that's why I changed a lot of them. Because there is too many pollen marks. By the way, James, did you buy your sprinkler?
Yeah.
Did you buy your sprinkler?
What is a sprinkler?
It makes
you mean from the 15 pet shop one?
Yeah, that one.
Wait, how did you summon sprinkler so easy? How do you summon it?
You summon it?
Look, you summon it too.
That's not me. That's someone else. Someone else did this.
How do people do that? People can summon it very easily. Oh, there's a meteor. There's a yellow beam of light. It's only if pros can summon that means the guy's actual pro.
No, you can summon it in phone. You have to go to your inventory, find like a sprinkler builder, drag it into your hotbar, and then just use it.
Wait, what's that? Was that a class or something? I saw class from the underground.
Did you buy the sprinklers Did you buy the sprinkler yet?
Huh?
Did you buy the sprinkler Did you already buy the sprinkler?
I didn't even buy it. I thought it's useless.
No, it's very useful. Trust me, it's very, very, very useful.
I know, it's like a cloud or something. Yeah, it's like a cloud. It changes the plants.
It grows the plants. It's good. It's very recommended
Hey, if I buy a sprinkler, does the sprinkler stay in that field forever?
No, you can change. No, you can change it, but if you move to another field and then press the sprinkler builder again, and then it'll just the sprinkler builder the sprinkler will move.
Right. The sprinkler will move.
Yeah, it's forever.
The 5 million glider is so good. It can fly around easily.
Glider? No, it's sometimes it's really bad because it's too fast. It's too fast.
Yeah, but you can travel very fast. If you go too fast, you can hit a wall, pretend to miss, and just go there,
Okay, well I'm gonna go to my free roll jelly. And I'm gonna use all these royal jellies to craft. I'm gonna use all these royal jellies to craft a star jelly. I have 55 now. I'm halfway. By the way, I have a gold egg in my inventory, but I never use it.
I right now have around 92 tickets, so I can actually buy 2 gold eggs after this, but I don't want to.
Oh, rare sprout. You wanna get it? Rare sprout?
Maybe. I
still
have
rare sprout. If you're lucky, rare sprout can give you a silver egg if you're lucky.
Ooh, what's the worst you can get from the rare sprout?
The worst you can get from the rare comes basically honey, because the honey is so common.
Yeah. Oh my gosh! The rare sprout is 500 HP in Cloverfield.
Oh, 500 HP! I can kill that. Oh,
500,000. 500,000.
Cloverfield. But my quest is also Cloverfield, so that's good. What if I spawn a magic bean on a field that already has a?
Oh, I just got a jelly bean. I got the thing. I don't know what's the name. Like the jelly bean from what's the name? From Peter. So very lucky. Yeah, you know, right? You can get jelly bean from animals.
I know.
The most
I forgot. I have ever got 10 tickets from a spider.
from one spider 10 tickets.
Yes.
Usually, spider and werewolf is what you want to kill. For me, I might want to kill every werewolf and spider because it gives tickets like every time. It's like free ticket like every time.
Sometimes
Like every ticket.
werewolf is definitely free ticket, but spider high chance, but not always promising always a free, but not always promise a free ticket.
When you get a ticket from spider, you get like a gumdrop or something good.
Yeah, I need gumdrops. And by the way, I'm going to land right on top of the bubble one. Did you see me?
Where are you? Oh my god, you're flying so fast!
Oh, James, after this,
Oh,
we're gonna play some hide and seek. Hide and seek. Peace for
in
hide and
the,
seek.
in the home.
So we will quit the game and I will quit the game and then I will return you, but I will not take a hive, and then you quit the game and then you return me and you don't take a hive, so the beast will not give away our position. After this,
Uh, wait, you know I can go. I know how to get out of the map.
I already know. I use red cannon all the time.
Red cannon. Wait, red cannon can make you can go out of the map, right? The red cannon.
Yeah, red cannon can basically make you go anywhere.
Hmm.
Oh, I'm almost done
But
with Rose Field.
but I feel like I didn't use the red cannon or something. I feel like I use like a cannon, but not the red cannon.
Maybe it's the blue cannon or the yellow cannon. I don't know. Wait, let me test it out. Let me test it out. Let me test out the blue cannon. Oh yeah, it's a blue.
Oh,
I think it's the
I
blue.
remember now. Hey, go to science fair. Go to the go to go to the tan area, and I'll show you a simple way how to go out of the map.
I'm already there.
Wait, I'm using slingshot.
By the way, if you have
Come here, look. Hey, wait. What is this? This is the dumbest tactic I've ever found. Go to the red teleporter.
I can go to the red color water easy. So
No. I mean, like jump inside of it. No, like try to go on top of it.
oh, that's easy.
Yeah, I know. You have to like go to the red thing. The red thing's
The
like
red thing is
invisible.
invisible.
I know. You can hop on it, and if you do, you can jump out of the map. Smart, right?
Yeah,
I found
know.
it.
You know what I use?
What?
I use the yellow
Oh, I
cannon.
made it. I'm out of the
Use
map,
the
baby.
yellow cannon and then jump on top of the hive. Use the yellow cannon and then jump on top of the hive. And I'm out of the map. Hey, do you see me?
Oh, on top of the hive. That's so genius. Oh no, I missed.
No, I got teleported back because I entered the 30 place.
Lol. If you teleport, where will you teleport?
Hey, you know, you can go to the 30 place without even having 35 Bs. No,
Oh.
you need, you know what, you're not gonna be happy about this.
What?
You're not gonna be happy about this, James.
I'm signing up for the hive. I never make it here because I want to collect that.
James,
Oh no, I
you're
got
not
that.
gonna be happy about this, but to go to the 35 B place without using 35 Bs, you know how?
Oh.
Lag.
What?
Lag.
Like what?
Lag. Bad internet. Bad internet.
Click. Like internet.
Yeah, bad internet.
Oh.
So can oh my gosh, I can almost make it. Oh, the joy. I can almost make it from the ticket 10 from this to the ticket from the ticket 10 on top of the high.
Yeah, if you go into that zone, the 35B zone, there's no way you're gonna defeat that crap.
Hey guys, I'm
thing.
back.
Okay, Jason, we're playing Beast Swarm. We're after this we're going to play hide and
Hey,
seek.
come here. Go to the 35 area, the thing, the door of it, and zoom out. Look, I see like a hidden lock dungeon thing. Look, if you go from here and zoom out as far
That's
as
the
you can.
place where the petal 1 and the petal belt is, and then behind. I know. That's where the petal belt and the petal 1 is, and then if you go behind the petal 1 and the petal belt, there's an invisible wall, and you go through the invisible wall, you get a star jelly.
A star jelly.
And then you will see a mysterious man. And you will see.
Kevin, I'm past the kid. Come here. Look up, look up.
Where? I don't see you.
Tell someone to leave or something.
Look, I found a kid.
Tell someone to leave, please.
Where are you? I cannot see you.
On top of you, look up. Up on the brown wall. Oh my gosh. Follow me, follow me, follow me, follow me.
Where are you?
Hey, come here. I'm behind you.
Where are you? I don't see you.
Are you lagging?
No, my bees are moving.
Oh, my bees are not moving. I'm lagging.
Oh, your lag. Tell me your lag.
I'm moving, but my Wi-Fi says that. Oh, I got into the pineapple place. I got into coconut because I'm off my laggy internet.
Oh, really?
Because
No,
of
wait,
your
the
lag.
spirit bear. The spirit bear. Get spirit bear quest. Get spirit bear quest. Get the spirit bear quest. And the free star jelly behind. And the cloud
I
vial.
can go to the plant. Talk to spirit. Oh no, I can't talk to the spirit bear.
Go.
Hey, by the way,
Get the star jelly behind the petal belt and the petal belt and the
Because,
secret
like,
mine dungeon thing.
you're stuck on a reference screen. Like, you see James
what do I mean?
characters
I
like stuck.
because I don't have 35 please. See what's
God.
inside.
So
Raffin, I see what's
That's
Raffin, what do Raffin, what do you know what's inside?
What? I already know.
There's like a coconut spawner. No, there's like a coconut thing. There's like a coconut thing like if you it's like a coconut dispenser. There's like a secret place that I can go into. Fast, and there's a leaderboard about the fastest crab plate, and it's insane. Do you know? There's a guy defeat the crab in 7 seconds only.
I know.
And I don't know. And then I don't see the star jelly because I only can zoom in. And I'm lucky.
Oh,
And also,
so sad. You shouldn't have got the star jelly. I'm trying to cheat to get the gold.
something. I see something. I see something that's weird. I see weird item.
You're lying.
I see the door. I see the door. There's a shop. I think there's a shop.
I know. It's the Petal One shop.
Yeah.
Daily top white collector. And there's an all-time white collector.
And that's a petal. That's the petal shop. It sells
That's a
petal
petal.
one. It sells
It's the
petal one.
OPS one.
I can't go in because I can't do anything. I only can look around the map because I'm lagging, so I can't do anything. Even if I want to collect pollen, I can't even collect pollen.
Hey, everyone go to
Guys,
mountain top
maybe
field.
we
Go
should
to
play
mountain
other
top
games.
field. Everyone go to mountain top field now.
Wait, Anas, I see something. Oh, this is like a cloud jar.
Well, I'm going to play in another server.
Why?
I mean, your server is full.
Really? No, it wasn't
Yeah, you're
full. There was one empty slot.
No. What?
Fine.
Wait.
Wait.
Yeah, I'm gonna rejoin, Raf. I'm gonna rejoin. I don't want to be lucky anymore.
Yeah. You should.
Where is the noob?
Wait, what's this? Same account, Vice. What's that?
No! Someone hacked into your account, that means.
No, I think it's just like a glitch. Oh, now I'm in. Someone.
Okay.
Oh, you're all in.
Oh, let's play some hide and seek, guys. Let's play hide and seek. I'm going to find you. Okay, you guys hide. Okay.
In this one.
Actually, press my hive.
I'm going to hide in noob shop. I'm going to hide in noob shop. 1.
Wait,
Please. Hey, Jason.
What?
Raven, wait, Jason. Let's mute because
Okay.
later Raven will hear us.
Okay,
Mute,
Okay,
mute,
okay,
one,
mute.
mute microphone.
two. I'm in noob shop. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wherever you are, I'm coming. Huh, where could they? Okay, where could they be, huh? I think I know. I think I know. Ha! Found you, Jason! That's easy. Hey, Jason, I found you. You can unmute now.
I cannot handle the mantises. Help me.
Okay, fine. Hey, I'm coming for you, James.
This werewolf is like. Oh, I got a royal jelly. Yes, queen.
I'm coming for you, James. Don't think you can
I got.
hide from
Wait.
me.
Let me just spawn for. Oh no.
I'm coming, James. Wait,
James could be hiding.
James left the game.
Wait, James. Okay, James. No, James is still there.
No, there is
No,
here. There's a
you'll never find me, Raven. I'm hiding in dark spot, and you'll never find me.
It could be a cave. I don't know.
Actually, I'm not in cave.
Is he in
I'm
that cave?
anywhere.
Oh, clue
I'm
number
in
one. Clue number one. Clue
I'm
number
in
one.
somewhere.
Oh,
that
guys.
you,
Guys, one more
I'm
minute.
in
There
somewhere.
is Mondo Chick.
I'm that you have ever entered like a few weeks ago. But you like first time played the storm. I feel like you like try to find some hidden places or something. I feel like you've been this place.
Oh, okay. I might have an idea.
Maybe it's in the cave or something. I don't know.
Maybe it's near the blue
What?
base. Maybe it's near blue base.
I need
I
more
found you,
slots.
James. Found you, James.
You didn't find me.
I did. I just saw you. I just saw
Where
you.
am I then? Where am I?
Found you. Oh my gosh, suddenly my tabby bee just pooped out a tabby
But I'm
bee.
gone now. Where am I?
You're still in there, I think.
I need
Hello?
5 million. Wait, Mondo Chick
Yes.
almost spawn, okay? Later
Okay.
I'll tell you. Oh, Mondo Chick spawn.
Okay, James. I think I already found you, remember? So I guess I win. I
Fight
got the
Mondo
money.
Chick.
I'm in the blue cave.
I
What
Guys,
found
even are
you.
you like?
help
I
me.
found
I'm
you. I
fighting
found
Mondo
you.
Chick.
Should we actually kill Manojik? I don't think we're strong enough.
No, we're
Because
strong. No, we just. No, you have to kill.
my spider spawned. I had to collect my ticket from the spider first. I want my
Okay.
ticket. Where are my peas? Don't tell me I just twitch skin. Oh no! I forgot to take the thing. I forgot to use my peas. Listen, let's get our hive.
What?
You
I'm
forget the
fighting
hive.
Mondo Chick. I have to fight Mondo Chick, okay?
Okay.
I'm fighting Mondo Chick because I need that I need the. Wait, there's an aphid.
Oh
What
my
is
gosh,
that aphid?
kill the aphid. Kill the aphid. You have to kill the aphid.
Yeah, I know. Yesterday I found a diamond aphid.
I know. Me
Yesterday
too.
I find a diamond aphid and it just give me a royal jelly.
Diamond. Oh no, we're not gonna kill it in time. No. Oh.
Wait, we cannot. Wait,
We didn't
what?
kill it in time.
Thing.
Reppin', wait.
Wait, after this,
Let
you're
me
gonna play
just.
Restaurant Tycoon. It's a really cool game. Trust me.
Okay.
You mean the restaurant tycoon the owner of like Pepsi created?
No, I don't know. It's called Restaurant Tycoon. So
No, it's not by. No, Restaurant Tycoon by the who is that again? Rage.
I never played that.
Oh, wait, you're
Let's play
still
it
playing
after
that?
this.
But I
The
ever played that. But
by I guess it's by wait, I have a sprinkler here. This is the black sprinkler is mine. My sprinkler.
Yeah, and the silver one is mine. Hey, while we're defeating Wonder Chick, we're actually killing this Sprout too.
Uh okay, it's growing up, it's growing up, it's growing. I have this bubble one already.
I know.
Yeah.
wait,
Bubble one.
Raven, I thought you were playing yo.
I already have a bubble. Later after this you want to see my devil bee?
Game.
I already saw it.
Yeah, me
Demon
too.
bee, I'm
Raven,
in demon bee.
I already
I'm
saw
in
it
demon
too.
bee. I have demon bee, okay?
I
Raven, I thought you were
know.
creating.
Demon bee is
Oh,
common for me.
Legendaries are almost common for me, but because I have 29 royal jellies right now, so I can create a 26 royal jellies, and it's almost guaranteed I can get a legendary. Because my calculations say, for you to get legendary, you need around 6 to 7 royal jellies if you're lucky. If you're not, you need a whole ton, like your whole pack.
Oh, if you want legendaries, you need at least 500 oil jellies times 2 of a gifted bee.
Wait. No, didn't know I've ever tried. I used 7 royal jellies and 6 royal jellies, and I had to get 2 legendaries.
Hey, but you know
if
what's
me,
so lucky? You know what's the
if me,
most luckiest man in the world?
if me, I use one like 7
Hey
royal
guys,
jellies,
you
and then
know what's the most luckiest
that
person in the
demon
world?
bee. I got that demon bee.
Hey guys, you know what's the
Demon
luckiest?
bee is too
Who is the
OP.
luckiest person in the world that played Peace with me later?
Okay, we got
His
it.
name is Hoops the Bee. He literally got a mythic bee for 1 royal jelly. One. Just one.
Okay, guys, do you
I
want a
wonder
magic
what is
bee?
the
Guys,
area.
I
here,
already know what's
a
at the
magic
PvP
bee.
area.
Hiya.
Oh, a ticket. How is it a ticket? No, Raven, I hate curse you. You took my ticket.
The
Or a ticket.
Larutan mo to Aninum.
Guys, there's a sprout.
No. Who's dead? Sprout was dead. Let's kill the sprout before the moon will check. Kill the sprout. Kill the sprout. Kill the sprout. Kill the sprout. The sprout was dead. Genie boys, we'll get a lot of stuff with this. Oh, come on, collect everything. The sprout is dead.
I got a royal jelly. Yes.
Oh, no, no. I curse you. I did I go to the wrong? Yeah, Mondo check.
Oh, the use this faster. Oh my gosh, I hate Monderchick. Okay, attack.
Get a royal jelly.
Go attack in time though.
But I have 93 tickets.
Attack. What are you doing, Ref?
You will never defeat the Mondo chicken time.
Wait, what is Raffin doing? He's buying tickets? Is he buying tickets?
I think it's my tickets.
Yep, he's buying tickets. Okay, go. Just attack the Mondo tick.
I will have a lot of tickets. I will have rich.
Attack the Mondo tick.
1,000 tickets. Should have like as many tickets as well.
Oh, Buster, almost dead.
Oh guys, how come I didn't die?
Wait, what?
In the ticket place, you're in the ticket
You
store.
go to the ticket place, man.
Oh, I didn't
Why you go
know.
to the ticket place?
No, I remember I was in the spawn field.
But you just go to the ticket place. I don't know how you get there.
Oh my gosh,
Oh,
the
hey,
tickets so
James,
many.
did you know, James? If you
Okay,
infinite,
almost dead.
James, did you know? The luckiest person in the world,
Almost
one of
dead.
the
It's almost
luckiest
dead.
persons in
I'm
the world.
almost
You know
dead.
what? One of the luckiest person.
I'm almost dead.
Hey, do you know what is one of the one of the luckiest persons in the world, James.
What?
Someone got a mythic view for one royal jelly.
Is it possible to get another thing? Is it possible if you had a basic arc and you don't get a basic B, you get like something else?
Yes,
Possible?
it's possible. It's
Sometimes,
possible.
because
Last time I got a brave
use
bee.
it, I got a bomber bee.
I got a brave bee.
Almost dead. Almost dead, man. I'm filling up my pollen, so like, yeah. Okay, rare sprout, thank you for that.
Who spawned that?
Thank you for that, thank you. Thank you for that,
By
that
the way,
sprout.
guys, I have 20. I used two sprouts, and then now I'm 25.
Hey, did someone place a sprout?
No,
Almost
it's
dead.
Reppin. Reppin placed the sprout.
Oh my
Maybe we
gosh,
can
it's
make it in
like a
time.
sprout.
No, it's not a legendary sprout. It's a rare sprout.
Rare sprout.
Yeah,
But I
one.
can now I can do a honey storm.
By the way, you have a chance to get a mythic. You have a chance to get a mythic egg if you kill a supreme thing. You know, a supreme sprout.
Ah, ah,
I need melody. I
almost
need
dead.
melody.
I'm almost dead. I'm halfway dead.
Melody really helps a lot, especially baby love. Baby love too. You should try to get baby V. Baby V is so good. His baby love
Baby,
can type
wait, do
snowball
I
and
have baby? Well, let me just see. Maybe I have it.
I have two of them.
I only have shiny. I thought no, I don't have it. I don't have it. I only have shiny.
Melody. Oh, never mind. Just focus.
Rage.
Honey, honey. Hey, the mono chicken, the sprout is almost dead too.
Lol.
But the sprout's gonna die first.
Not gonna.
What's making my honey? Honey, honey, honey.
Well, you better get your butt
Just
over
get
here
this.
before the sprout
Just get
explodes. Oh, the sprout explodes.
extra bloom. Ticket. Yes, I got
Just
my
like,
ticket.
just take the whole thing.
Fine. I'll take the whole thing and leave none behind.
No, later I'm using my Oh.
Look at this slot. Look at this slot.
I just got a lot of royal jellies from that.
Oh, come on. I'm coming for you.
I just got 5 royal jellies.
5.
Attack! Attack the mono chick. It's almost dead.
You planted a rare sprout, haven't you?
Because you missed one. I just got
I'm almost
two
fell.
from that sprout. From that sprout, I just got 3 more
Planted
magic.
sprout.
Well, let me just use my rage.
I never use sprouts. That's why I'm planting them right now. So
Yeah, but it gives like a random. It's like if you kill a sprout, so it's like it feels like you kill the mono chick, but the mono chick gives the bitter berry.
yeah, I like bitter berry. I need 3 more. I need
It's
2
almost
more
dead. 3
bitter
more
berries,
minutes.
and I can make one of my bees mutated.
3 more minutes, man. 3 more minutes.
We can do it.
Does mutated upgrade your piece? It makes it better.
Yeah, it makes it better.
Yeah, it makes it better.
Either
Your attacks
attack
and
or
The mono chick.
mono check.
GG
Good.
boys.
Good game, good game.
GG. GG, mother chick. I hope there's a mythic egg. I hope there's a mythic egg. Please tell me there's a mythic egg.
Wait, we can get a mythic egg.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's why we're farming it all the time. Go, 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 get all the bitter berries or
Get
mythic eggs you
all of
find.
them, boys.
Oh wait, also the sprout exploded at the same time. Oh! I swear, the sprout
Back,
exploded at the same time.
baby. Baby,
This is what I
it's
wanted.
rich
This is
time.
why I planted my sprouts.
Oh my goodness.
Look at all these things. I want these trees too.
Oh my goodness. This is so much.
There are flies everywhere in my house.
Oh my gosh, there are tucats a lot.
Berry! Yes! I
There
have enough! I have
are
enough!
tucats a
I
lot.
have enough! I have enough! I can't believe I have enough bitter berries. Yes! Hey guys, go to my
Okay,
hive! Go to my
here.
hive!
More sprouts. Take this sprout.
Oh, we're gonna kill the sprout like easy. That sprout destroyed.
There you go.
I just got the a royal jelly just spawned next to me.
Yeah.
By the way, go to my hive if you wanna see my
Oh,
Pokemon
royal
bee that
jelly. Yes,
mutated.
I got a royal jelly. Yes.
Oh, since this is night time, we should find some vicious bees. We should find some vicious bees.
We should find some spirit bees. There are spirit bees.
Oh, by the way, I'm recording a video, Jason. Did you know that?
Wait.
Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So you did see it when the chick killing anyway. So bye.